Yay. Let's go for a nice walk.
There's a neighbor barking down.
Yeah, what's up with that? I don't usually hear them out here.
They must have some visitors that they don't
like. Yeah. That could be. That could be.
That's from across the street, though.
Okay. Oh, it's really cold out. I'm freezing. Sweatshirt and a sweater. Is this a jacket or a sweatshirt? I don't know. It's a little nippy.
You want this coat?
No. At least I got my mucklucks on, right?
Yeah.
Is it muckluck? No,
Muck
they're not
boots.
mucklucks.
Muck.
Muck. Okay. So our farmer friends actually told me about these boots.
Yeah.
And they use these on the farm, so I thought, well, if they can use them on the farm, that would be good for what I want to do.
Yeah. Cold sweat floors.
Yeah.
I think this one is pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, look at, is that moss? Look at that little moss.
It's a form of moss.
That's cute. I love it up here.
You'd probably enjoy getting lost up here every day.
Probably, yeah.
I probably ought to make some benches to put along these trails every once in a while.
Oh, that would be nice.
Especially just sit out here.
Way out in the back there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that would be nice. Even just one. Like one stopping area.
I'd probably build two and then just move them around every so often.
Yeah, you could do that. Okay.
We'll go right or left?
Let's go right.
Okay.
Little jump. Is this considered the UP or not the UP?
No, I think the UP.
Where do you begin the UP?
When you cross the Mackinac Bridge.
How do you know that?
Because that's what the state of Michigan says.
Oh. I've always called this a UP. Look at the deer tracks. See that?
Yeah, these ain't fresh though.
They look fresh. I don't know.
Probably yesterday's tracks.
Okay. Oh, deer fur. Look.
Yep.
Look at that.
That's deer fur. Yep.
I'm gonna catch a deer.
Maybe.
Okay.
You might.
Might find one. This is good.
Good chance.
Yeah. Brr, my hands.
If anything, they'll be off to our
Need
left.
some mittens on. Brr.
They're usually crossing up here, going across the back of the field. But I have seen them walking through here.
Yeah. Look at the trail. That's funny. The trail is right over this. What used to be that tree. Look at that.
I had to build up the dirt for the kids' dirt track.
Yeah, that's a huge tree. What was that, a pine tree?
No, that was an oak tree.
Oh, wow.
They got struck by lightning and fell over.
Yeah, that's a huge one. Oh,
All
yeah.
the moss growing off of it.
Okay, wow.
I didn't have a chainsaw at the time, so I took the bulldozer and put dirt up on each side so we could get over.
Yeah, so it's like a ramp.
Yeah.
They probably have fun.
Yeah.
That does sound like fun. Yeah, this would be a perfect place to raise kids, right?
Yeah. You don't have to worry about them. You know?
Right.
Keep it quiet.
Can't really get into much trouble out here.
No, not really.
I'm not sure where I'm going.
We'll go this way or that?
I don't know. I'll let you choose.
We can go this way.
Okay.
So we're just walking backwards on this.
Yeah, I get lost back here though. I need like a marker. Like you are at mile number 2 or something. You are at.
I'll put arrows on and say house that way if you get lost.
This is where I get lost.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you stay on the trail, you'll always come back into an area where you see the house.
My problem is I see stuff and then I go off the trail. And then one day.
That's the sanctuary over there.
Okay, over here. So how many acres is that?
That's
like
40
60?
acres, I
40,
believe.
okay. That's so nice. Oh my word.
Yep, 40 acres.
This is like the perfect property. It's really nice. I love that tree. Pretty. Like, I look at my phone and it doesn't do it justice
Yeah.
to what it really looks like. It's just so nice. Look at that mammoth thing.
Yeah.
Did your kids used to play on that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
No, they never climbed trees out
I
here.
could have seen, like, myself as a
It'd
kid climb that.
It'd be just a good spot to just lay there and
Yeah,
sleep.
that's what Kendra and I used to do. We used to just lay there.
Yeah.
A tree. It was fun. To be a kid again, right?
Hmm?
To be a kid again
Yeah.
would be nice. For a day, maybe. Until mom calls you in for dinner and you have to eat her dinner. Then I want to be an adult again. Oh, yuck. My mom is the worst cook. I'm surprised I know how to cook. I think that's just because I had cookbooks and I would just keep trying different things. And
I think I got a cookbook in the house. I've never used it.
oh,
I think I need to shelf for the cabinet.
yeah. What kind? Betty Crocker, maybe?
No, I don't know, maybe some German or French
Oh, okay. Like a cuisine.
something.
Okay.
You can get it down and look at it.
German potato salad's good. Now you're making me super hungry.
Well, we got a pot pie in the microwave
My
now.
goodness.
I'm always gonna have food here.
Yay. That works. I love all the moss. Look how squishy that is.
This moss. You got these stuffs, and it's all red berries in the summertime.
Yeah, it's like a holly.
Yeah.
I actually think I stole some of that out of your yard the other day when you weren't home.
It's really nice back here,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Do you mind that I steal your stuff when you're gone?
No. You can have anything you want.
You don't even notice it anyway.
No, I don't.
Now, John said he's seen another, like a potty chair out here.
That was way over.
Over there.
That way on the other
Okay.
side. We already passed it.
Ooh.
It was just a kid's chair.
Well, we were going to have to look at that next time and see what that's about.
Might have been somebody using it as a potty
I'm
chair.
sure. What else are you going to use out here?
I'm finding stuff all the time. Heck, you found that one. You found that
That was
one
a
thing at one
seed?
time thinking it was a dog grave.
Oh, yeah, what was it anyway?
That was a tree stand.
A tree stand.
Part of a tree stand.
Okay.
Scared the heck out of me though when you saw it was a dog grave.
Well, didn't it say dog on it or something?
Yeah, top dog or something like that. It's like, or no, big dog.
Big dog, for sure, grave.
And it scared me to death. It's like, I didn't bury no dog.
Yeah. Gross.
Oh my word.
Oh, boy. Oh, is that an outhouse over here?
Yeah.
Oh. In the middle of the woods. In the middle of nowhere. Yeah, this isn't... Oh, it's got wipes, though.
Yeah.
What's the batteries for? Don't touch it.
That's a light switch.
Oh, don't touch the toilet. No, you close it up. Close it up. Ew. Okay. So if we're in the woods on this side of town, we got a bathroom.
That ain't even a hole in the ground there.
What is it, a bucket?
I don't know if they put a bucket in there or not.
What would you rate this? It's got a toilet seat, so maybe that's a 1 star.
Probably a 1 star. I mean, you got a window, you got an overhead
Yeah.
solar light.
Okay. Okay.
Oh well.
All right. Going back and having some lunch.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.
Food time.